Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to move tasks between lists in Zoho Projects. All right. So first up, go ahead over to the left panel and click on tasks. So let's just go ahead and click on this drop down besides group by and select task list. All right. Close this one. So here we have the task list 1, task list 2. Now to move, all right, so what you'll do is just go ahead and select the specific task. For example, I wanted to move this create a video about Zoho Projects task into this task list at the top. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the 3 dots besides the task. Okay, or you have the move tool right here. I'm just going to zoom in just for you to see. You have the move tool right here. We have these 6 dots. You can just click on it, click and hold, and just move it. Okay, drop, wait for it to load, and once it loads, here you have it. All right. Another option is by just click on the 3 dots right here and click on move. All right. Select the task list, maybe general, move. There you go. It's back. That's basically it. That's how easy it is to move tasks between lists here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.